Just a quick one for you guys. You can see what I just got. Beautiful, beautiful. All systems are checked. All systems are go. I'll just, oh, one sec. I gotta hold it with one hand, so. That's only half throttle. Like, I mean, the whole thing will fly off the desk. So that's going into there. My Slash Platinum Edition when it just opened. So receiver box will be mounted up onto here because the can's a little bigger here than the 2200 that's in here. My plan for this, bam, is to go into that because they do sell this model. Right now it's a brushed motor and XL5 ESC. As you can see, 3S wasn't working, wouldn't calibrate, so I put a 2S and it worked. I want to run much higher than that. I want to hit 150. So this motor here, which is kick-ass, it's a 2200, and what is that there? VXL 3S. So that'll be going into there, and hopefully I can run bigger than 3S. I'm not too sure. If not, I'll have to upgrade the ESC because I want some high digits out of both of these cars. I just finished with Castle Link. This is my Alienware laptop I use. Everyone should have a little laptop just for their Castle Link and for other stuff that you can do online. I got a bag of RPM parts and everything for the Slash that I was going to put on, but I'm contemplating putting on, and front bumper and back bumper and everything, but I'm contemplating putting on aluminum onto the Slash because the thing's so bloody light. I could add weight to it, and I'm also changing up the tires for road tires. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. I'll even change the hex to 17. Like I was even thinking about maybe putting on my XO1 tires, but I'd have to get an adapter because that is much smaller than that whole size. So I can't remember. I think it's 10 mil and 7, or I can't remember what the XO1 is, but anyways, and I have already racing tires coming for the Forte. These look nice enough, but the racing tires I'm getting are much better. They won't balloon or nothing, won't shred. So right now I'm contemplating on putting on the RPM stuff or putting on the Hot Racing black with silver trim aluminum stuff. What do you guys think? I have also this body for it, and this is the Platinum Edition. It's a low center of gravity, so everything's dropped down so much lower. This isn't on right now. There's no body post. I'm thinking about getting the no body post where it's a radiator you put up here and you spin the radiator. It actually spins. There's fans inside too, but you actually spin the radiator and it unlocks the top. So I think it's only 2 fronts you have to put in maybe into the shock tower. But also I was considering leaving it clear like that, just a couple spots that come clear where you can paint it a color or leave it, or because my theme's all black and white and silver. As you can see, I'll be getting rid of all the blue, and obviously this will be going in. So the rest of the blue I'll be getting rid of as well, except for the savox. So what color do you think I should go with for there? I do have something like this that I just picked up. What's that look like, Paul? PS63 bright silver gunmetal. So that would go into the clear spots, which may look pretty cool. But I'm also going to put a light system in there, and I have a light system already for the Vortex. Just because they have the little, this has the, well, that will have the little JST plug for batteries. Hold up. This right here comes out of the ESC. And it's a wicked little plug for if you buy Traxxas lights. They fit, obviously. But any other lights that have this end, or put your own end on, it's connected right to the ESC. And bam, just unplug and plug every time, or turn on and off your car, and the lights will work with it. So that will be in there. This one won't have that little plug because of this system that I'm putting in right now. Ready? That's just touching it. Let me get this. Excuse me. Only came with plastic arms for it, so I'm gonna get a straight steel or aluminum for it, which I will pick up probably at the end of the week when all my hot racing stuff comes in for my X-Max. So far, the only thing that they had in stock, sorry about the mess, guys, was the one sec. They're over there. See the hot racing aluminum uppers and lowers? 2 of each. Well, one set. So I have to go in the front or the back. And also, I've already ordered the extra set from a different supplier. They only had one in stock, so I didn't know that. So that'll be coming in next week. So this week I'll have all the cover plates and diff covers and all that for in hot racing, black and silver aluminum. And I got the big bad boys on there, the Badlands, and not too sure what I'm going to do with the